If you would like to see how we made this delicious Sunday dinner, stay tuned. This is all the ingredients you'll need to make this recipe. Hey, this is Sheba and the Big Guy.
Hey everybody, sorry for the long wait, but we're back.
Today we are making my sweet teriyaki chicken.
It is delicious.
When we have family functions and just us, this is our Sunday dinner. This is what I make, and my family, you know.
Everybody loves it.
Right. So first you'll start off with your chicken. It's washed and ready to go. Dry it with paper towel. Put that to the side for a couple seconds. And the main ingredient is the
soy sauce.
Yeah, soy sauce. There you go. There you go. And
then we got a little raw honey.
We'll just use a little bit of this. And like a cup of brown sugar.
Brown sugar, baby.
Dark brown sugar. That's the kind I use. But you can use any kind you want to.
Some of that garlic.
Garlic powder. Onion powder. Pepper. And the garlic and parsley.
Garlic, parsley.
And some minced garlic.
Some of that minced garlic. I ate some of that the other day.
And these two things are optional. You don't have to use them. I like these. The big guy doesn't like them, so I'll use like a couple of these on mine. And then this is optional too. You can do green onion if you want to. If you want to, you don't have to. So.
Show them how you use that knife, girl.
No, we ain't doing that yet.
Oh, we ain't?
No, we got to season up the chicken first. Alright, that might sound like a song.
It's not no song.
No copyright.
No copyright here. I just made that. And don't y'all bite that either.
Alright.
Come on, Sheba.
Sprinkle a little of this onion first. Then we'll do a little garlic powder. A little sprinkle. Then we'll do this because it got the salt in it. The pink Himalayan. But you can use any kind. You don't have to use this one. And then we'll use some pepper.
Get that one in over there.
What?
That one right there ain't get enough pepper. Bow.
Right here?
Yeah. I guess.
Alright. And a little bit of olive oil. This will be enough for both sides. And then we'll use, I don't know, just do to your taste and do to your eyeballing.
If you want to keep somebody out your face, eat a spoonful of that garlic.
And then you don't even have to use the garlic if you don't want to. And then the brown sugar. Now I shake up the soy sauce. And then we'll just drizzle this on the chicken. You got anything to say, Big Guy?
Sorry for the wait, people. We're so sorry. We've just been busy with life, going to work, cleaning up. Sorry for the wait. We'll be back.
Prepping.
We'll be back with more hilarious commentary, more hilarious shows.
And then you do that process all over again. Garlic. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, everyone. When you do this, make sure you preheat your oven to 350.
And then we leave it there for like, what, 2 hours?
Till that chicken is done. While she's doing 350.
Don't show me one here.
Nobody's showing
Today
you.
Is Sunday.
Today is Sunday. We are not looking our best today.
It's in the house Sunday.
It is in the house. I got on mismatched socks. Man. I got on an ankle sock with a party sock.
Okay. We can put a little bit of water in.
Nah.
You don't want it?
No water.
Just a little wee bit.
No, water.
But you know what though? You figure this is a bad recipe and you never made it before. Just keep the camera there.
I guess.
Don't come over here and watch me. A little bit of water. Just a little. And I saved the honey for last because you won't need a lot. Just a little bit.
See that? Ooh. When you got a cold, that comes in handy. See that?
Oh, we need the big ass muscles.
We need my help. Hold on, we're going to switch cameraman.
Okay.
Here we go. Yeah.
You got it.
It's so thick.
Let me open it up.
It's like a chocolate milkshake. It's so thick.
All right, that's enough. We just need just a little bit of that.
Put a little on each corner.
No, we want to spread it around. See, you never watched me make this before. You be eating it, but you never watched me make it.
Because it'd be delicious.
Okay. You can press pause.
Ready.
Okay. So what I have done now is the half that was light, I cut that up. And I'll put this all in here. This all in here. And then the other one, we'll come back to this later. Because we'll use this at a later point in time. But for right now, this is it. This is the special recipe.
And when it gets done, it is so yum.
So now,
this is our supper.
We'll put a little oil on it. Make sure it's all the way covered up for 2 hours. Or an hour and a half, or 2 hours. No, don't show that.
That oven. Ooh, that oven is warm. It's warm like outside.
Alright. And that's it.
Well, people, I don't know.
2 hours, we'll be back.
We'll be back. And it's Sheba and the Big Guy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sheba and the Big Guy.
You know, I'm not leaving that there.
Oh, yeah.
That's for the end.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So it's 2 hours later. And we took it out the oven. And this is the juice that we have. Pour it over. And we'll probably put this back in the oven for like 15 minutes. Just to get it to kind of caramelize. So we'll be back in like 15 to 20 minutes. Well, probably just like 15 minutes. Yeah, just 15. Because you want it to caramelize, but not too much. Because then the chicken will start to dry out and it'll get a little too crispy. So we'll do like 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so the chicken is done caramelizing.
I'm here, guys. I'm in the background. Don't think I ain't here.
Okay, we'll just pour some more juice over top of it.
I'm buttering the pan.
And then we'll take and we'll put... You want green onions on top of yours?
Yeah, that's cool. A little garnish, you know. Make it look nice. Nice and neat.
Nice and festive.
Make it nice and neat. Alright, that'll be $12.
Alright, so do you want sesames on?
I don't like sesames.
Then I'll just put some sesames on 2 of these pieces. And this will be the final result for this. Okay, so we're making our sides. This is like a bonus clip. We have butter and garlic in here. And then we'll put our fresh string beans. And we'll put a little pepper.
Not out the can. Fresh from the market.
And just a little garlic. You can put whatever you want in it, but this is just what I'm doing. And just a little, it's garlic, parsley, Himalayan salt. I put too much in there.
Yes, you did. Sheesh.
No, we'll taste it. It might not be too much. Because some of that is just like seasoning.
All that garlic and all that oregano, all that.
You like it. It's going good. Okay, so that's that for that. Okay, so now we're a little pressed for time because I have to go to work and he has to eat. So this is organic, so it's still good, but we're going to put this in our microwave and follow the directions on here. I don't see any directions.
Throw it in the microwave, press 3 minutes.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right.
So we'll be back when it's done.
Later.
And after all that, Sunday dinner is officially done.
Woo, 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 woo.
This one is the big guys.
Yeah, boy.
And this one is men's with the sesame seeds. We poured a little juice on the juice. We poured a little bit of the juice that was left over on the string beans because as y'all can see, we put a little bit too much season on her. So to like, you know, drown that out, we put a little bit of sweet teriyaki juice on it. And we put some on the quinoa. And that's dinner. That's Sunday dinner. Cooking with us today. Cooking with who?
Sheba
and the big guy.
Sheba and the big guy.
See you guys next time.
Later.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
And hit that bell.
To be notified for the next video. Thanks, guys.
Later.
Bye. Oh, try the recipe. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.